Pokeball Pyramid is a new take on Pokemon Draft League. It's played in a post-Pokemon Champions Natdex format with a low-tier singles board. But what's unusual is how everything is built. Instead of drafting in order, we take control of a permanent club within the pyramid. All 40 players bid from the same pool of Pokemon regardless of division, with silent auctions running on a single shared board. That means you're always competing with the entire league to put your team together. Pyramid is heavily inspired by football. Less experienced coaches start in S-Ball, while the strongest teams begin in Premier. Each club has 10 clubs, and each division has 10 clubs, all competing for promotion and trying to avoid relegation. Moving up gives you a higher budget and more flexibility in how you build your team, while dropping down limits your spendings. Promotion is earned through performance. The playoff winner goes up, along with the top team from the league phase, or second place if the winner has already qualified. At the other end, 9th and 10th are relegated. Within each division, everything is balanced, so it really comes down to one thing: who can build the best team from the market and lead their club to glory. Auctions are at the core of how you build your team in the Pokeball Pyramid. You can start as many auctions as you like at once, as long as your active bids stay within your available budget. An auction begins with the first bid on a Pokemon, and ends when it resolves with the highest bid securing the Pokemon. If all bids are withdrawn, the auction is simply cancelled. All bids are silent, so you can only see how many bids are on a Pokemon, not who made them or how much they bid. Each Pokemon has a minimum price, so bids must meet that value or go higher. And every Pokemon also has a buy now price. Like, you skip the auction entirely and secure it instantly, but at a significant premium. The auction bot is how you manage everything in the Pokeball Pyramid. It gives you a simple set of commands to control your team and take part in auctions. You can place bids, change them, withdraw if you need, or buy a Pokemon instantly. It also lets you keep track of your team, checking your budget, your active bids, and your overall position. And if you need information, you can quickly look up Pokemon, active auctions, or anything else you need. We'll go through how these commands work now. Who Am I is a helpful command to use before the window begins, allowing you to check that you're correctly set up with the bot. If there are any issues you can see, let a moderator know. Help allows a coach to quickly see all of the commands available to them and see any inputs they need to give. This information is also available in the channel Auction Commands. Pokemon allows you to check on the price, buy now, turn attacks, and status of a Pokemon. By default, it is private, but you can toggle it to public by setting share to true. Bid allows you to place a bid on a Pokemon as long as the bid value is above the minimum value for that Pokemon and below the max spend of your division. Change bid allows you to up the value of a bid you have placed on a Pokemon. Note that you cannot decrease the value of your bid. Withdraw bid allows you to remove your bid from a Pokemon should you no longer wish to be involved in the auction. Buy now allows you to immediately secure a Pokemon you want without having to worry about auction, but at significant expense. Team Info lets you review everything to do with your team, your division, your budget, your max spend, your available budget, and your current roster. My Bids lets you check on the status of all of the bids that you currently have placed, how long is left in the auction, the value of those bids, and how many total bids are against each Pokemon. Active Auctions lets you see a full list of all auctions currently ongoing, and how long is left in them. In the league document there is also an Active Auctions tab, but this is updated every half an hour, whereas Active Auctions gives you absolute live data.